There are Bollywood movies that are so good that audiences can't wait for them to become a franchise and release its second installment. But there are certain cases where the sequels do even a better job than the original. This is in no way saying that the original was poor, but that the sequel just topped it 10 times more with a better storyline or just setting up the premise on a larger and more impressive scale. I know a lot of you will disagree on some of them, but hey, write it down below on how much you hate me. So here is Tried and Refused Productions with 5 Bollywood movie sequels that were better than the original. Kahani 2. A lot of people don't give the sequel of Kahani its credit for being one of the best psychological thrillers of 2016. While the first installment followed Vidya Bakchi and her journey to find her husband with a course of jaw-dropping twist in the end, there was no sense of doubt or mystery on what the end goal is in the movie. Whereas in the second installment, there is always a sense of I have no idea what's going to happen.
हेलो
मिनी को आखिरी बार जिंदा देखना है तो इस एड्रेस पे अभी इसी वक्त.
With multiple twists and turns, a sense of pure evil and eeriness in some characters, the movie doesn't fail to shock you every step of the way. You are kept guessing till the very end on what the ulterior motive of each character is. Definitely a psychological thriller everyone should watch. Gangs of Wasipur 2. There is absolutely no doubt that both the parts of Gangs of Wasipur are pure gems and showcases the potential Bollywood has to portray original Indian stories. While the first movie tries to give us all the information about Dhanbad and its power struggle in its business and political field, the audience takes time to get used to all the characters, backstories and information. When the second installment released, all our favorite characters were right in front of us and we empathized and cared for each one of them and joined Faisal in his quest to seek revenge. One of the best franchises that should be talked about for generations, the sequel really cemented its position as one of the best. Murder 2. A franchise that changes its genre with every installment is the Murder franchise. Whilst the first movie, which was considered to be a game changer for its bold and progressive portrayal of extramarital affairs and troubled relationships, it did commercially well, despite being a rip-off of the Hollywood film Unfaithful. In the sequel, which is an unofficial remake of the South Korean film The Chaser, the franchise took a turn towards the psychological thriller genre, with a jaw-dropping performance by Prashant Narayan, a melodious score, and an eerie and haunting cinematography.
बेचा नहीं सर, काट के फेंक दिया उन सबको.
Murder 2 was a much better package than its original, with a budget of 13 crores, making a worldwide box office collection of 67 crores. Ashiki 2. The sequel to the Bollywood romantic musical in 1990 with the same name starring Rahul Roy and Anu Agarwal in lead roles, this time had Aditya Roy Kapoor and Shraddha Kapoor in lead roles. The sequel had a lot of expectations and it didn't disappoint one bit.
राहुल, प्यार मजाक नहीं होता.
लेकिन मेरी जिंदगी है.
लेकिन मुझसे मिलने के पहले थी ना ये आदत तुम्हें?
The chemistry between the leads was infectious and real. The music with Arijit Singh's voice is still talked about today. Hands down has to be one of the best collection of songs in a movie. And the storyline was real and authentic. Even though the original was a commercial success, the sequel with these fresh faces made it a phenomena. With a shoestring budget of 15 crores, the movie made a worldwide box office collection of 109 crores. Before we discuss the number 1 position, here are some honorable mentions.
तेरे भाई के यार देख ला उनको यार चल ना. अरे पागल है यार डी.
स्पोर्ट्स कोटे ते तुम्हें लिया नेशनल लेवल के एथलीट सु जिला जजर 124507 और फोन नंबर में दऊ कौन.
मतलब मैं सोच रहा था कि तुम लोगों को खत्म करने के बाद आज रात इटालियन डिनर किया जाए. You know, spaghetti bolognese, a glass of red wine.
And number 1 goes to MSG2, one of the best. I'm kidding, guys. Okay, let's be real now. Number 1 goes to Dhoom 2. There is no denying that Dhoom changed the game in terms of action genre in Bollywood. A great story, an impressive star cast, and some badass action sequences. But there's no doubt that Dhoom 2 absolutely hit the home run. With the perfect casting of Hrithik Roshan as the antagonist, crazier and intense action sequences, and great performances. The duo of Ali and Jay chasing Aryan through all his high-tech burglaries definitely was a much better action package than the original. And that was the list, guys. Write it down in the comments below if you liked the video and also if you have some video ideas for our channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Follow me at JammyPants4. Also, please support us by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel for weekly content ahead. Thank you so much for watching.